Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a series of understanding the basics of HTML. So, in this video, I just want to talk about the HTML tables. So, in the previous videos, we discussed lists, and I just want to go ahead and remove these here. Our document should be clean now, and the one thing that we want to start with is to say, how do we create an HTML table? So the first thing, the tag that you would use for a table is the table tag. So this would be your table. If you go ahead and save, you won't see anything. What the table needs is the tr tag and then the th, which would mean the table head. So this, you can say first name, th, table head, last name, and probably, let's say, your age there. So these would be your headers, your headings. If you can go ahead and save, you can see these bold as they are, they represent your headings. So you can go ahead and say, okay, since while I have the headings, let me say TT, table data, and say I am, what is my name? Donald. My name is Donald, and my last name is Trump. I am 60 years of age, and this would be your first row. So this would be your first row, and if you want to add another row, you can just come here and say my name is Nelson Mandela. I'm probably 80, so stuff like that. So this would be your excuse me, HTML table. This is how you represent your table. The other thing that you might want to say to your table is, this as my table, I would like it to add a styling to it so that it can fit my entire document. So you would make the width become 100%. So that's the first thing that you can do. Your width there is 100%. You can go ahead and say, let's just style here. You can just go ahead and say for a th, what I want to do is text align and then say left. So this is what you can do. So there's a lot of things that you can do. You can align wherever you want. You can do whatever you want to your table header as well as your table date. The other thing that you can do is add borders to this, and you would say border, and let's make it 1 pixel, and it becomes solid red, right? and this would be only for the TR. Alright, so if you want for the table TH and also table data, this is what we can do. So you can see the border is here. Our table is nicely covered within the borders, and we can just, if you don't want these borders this way, you can go ahead and say border collapse, and you'd collapse this, and then you'd have this. So there's many ways you can play around with your table so that it can fit whatever style that you need. So this is primarily how your table would be. The one thing that you might want to increase is let's say here you just want Donald to have a much bigger height. You'd add styling here, not only here, but you can choose to have your styling here or on the external CSS file. So let's say you want Donald to be 100 px, so this can change, so as well as you can remove the styling here, and you can see that there's a lot of ways that you can play around with your HTML. So you can even try and come here, and instead of, if you want this one to have this row to be a little bit bigger than the other ones, you'd come and increase the width and say this width, I would prefer it become 60%, and the other one will share percentages. So if you have the whole table as 100 and then this one is 60, so this one should show that it's 50 and it's bigger than the rest, so yeah. So the other thing that I might want to cover as well is with regards to the size itself. So what you can do again is